Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to do a quick video on a trick that might help your sculptures out. So this is my usual lighting setup when it gets darker in the studio. I have one light overhead that kind of shines on my model. Since I'm working from reference from my computer, I don't need another light that's the same for my figure model. But there is a trick that I like to use, and that is an alternative lighting. So as you get closer to doing details, you want to be able to color your sculpture. And this is what I use. Light like this, and this will shine on your model. So with this sort of system, you can see your sculpture in a completely new way. And I will turn off this light and I will get a completely different perspective. You want to be able to look from down and up and see if there's anything in place or out of place. And oftentimes your eyes get tired from working in a sculpture for a long period of time. So on this sculpture, I'm still working on it. I'm working on the details. But if you change the lighting, you can see how it would look like in different rooms, for example. Sculptures, they tend to vary in location, so you want to make sure that it looks good in everything. But this also lets you see things, for example, in the cheek where the hair is, to see if your geometry is okay. Often I will take this, I'll put it on my sculpture stand, and I will turn off my overhead light like this and see if there's a dramatic mood to it. I will position the light in various locations like this, and I will move the light around to see if there's things that are off. So often this reveals proportion mistakes such as wide shoulders, wide hips, that sort of thing, and it really helps things out.